Cricket wireless MMS issues often stem from incorrect APN settings since Cricket is an MVNO using AT&T or Verizon's network. This means sending picture and group texts can fail if your phone's settings aren't properly configured. The quickest fixes are 1. Restart your device. 2. Ensure mobile data is enabled and Wi-Fi is off for testing. 3. Use Cricket's in-app APN troubleshooter found in their official app. If these don't work, proceed to manually checking and updating your APN settings. If you are still having issues, it may be caused by network outages, which are outside of the user's control. To manually configure APN settings on Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. For iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Data Network. For AT&T-based Cricket, which is most common, enter these APN settings. For Verizon-based Cricket, use these APN settings. After entering these settings, save them and restart your device. These steps should resolve most MMS issues.